Friends, we are going to see question number 6 in which we are going to find the x angles. Okay, so here you can see the first sum for 50 degrees there, 130 degrees there, 120 degrees there, and fourth side is x. What we have to find? We have to find the fourth side. So what we will write, sum of, it's a quadrilateral four-sided figure. Okay, sum of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Therefore 50 degree plus 130 degree plus 120 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree, and here we are going to add all this number. Understand, students? So what will be there? 300 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore x is equal to, x is equal to, by transposing method, x is equal to 360 minus 300, x is equal to 60 degree. Understand, students? Here you can find the value of x is equal to 60 degree. If you want, you can write here transposing to RHS. Okay, students? Now what we are going to do, we are going to see about the second sum of this, where you can see here also x angle is there. So what we will be doing here, we are going to find the angle between the angle of this x. Okay, so same sum of angles of quadrilateral. Every quadrilateral that is 360 degree. Here also it is four-sided figure, so we are easily taking 360 degree. But when it comes to five-sided and six-sided, there you have to use the formula, this n into n minus 2 into 180 degree. To find the angle, sum of internal angle for any sides more than 4 sides, then you have to use this formula. Understand, students? So here what is having sum of angles, here you can see that this is in a straight line, so it is 90 degree. So this will also be 90 degree. And in last year you might be studied about the linear angle. Linear angle, what it is that if this is the line, here one straight line is there, so here it will be 90 degree. So what we will be doing, this 90 degree will be, this one straight line's angle will be 180 degree. तो 180 degree से आप 90 को minus करेंगे, आपका other angle मिल जाएगा. Understand, this you had studied in the previous class. Okay, students, that we are going to use here. So what is happening, sum of quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Here outside it is 90 degrees there, so inside is 90 degree. So इधर एक straight line होता है, आप देख सकते हैं. So the x will be 90 degree. So what we will be doing, we are using it as 90 degree. Okay, so x का हम find out कर रहे, now we are going to find out the x, and this one angle is 90 degree. So what we will be doing, x plus 90 degree plus 70 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. Understand, students? Is equal to 360 degree, and what we are adding is equal to, therefore x plus 220 degree is equal to 360 degree. Same, once again transposing x is equal to 360 degree minus 220 degree, x is equal to 140. So the angle of that x is equal to 140 degree. Understand, students? And here you have to write transposing to RHS, transposing 220 to RHS. Understand, students? This, hope you understand. Now we are going to the next two sums.